Hi friends, welcome to Adda 24/7. We are an MCQ series for retail banking and wealth management. And today our topic is artificial intelligence. It is one of the important topics in RBWM. Remember, the questions which I am taking over here are generally there in the exams. So that's why follow the series completely. Okay, so let's start without wasting the time. Okay, what is the schedule? See, the schedule is what is the artificial intelligence. I'll be explaining you some concepts of AI, then use of AI in the banks, and then we'll be dealing with the objective questions. Simple? Okay? Chal. Okay. Does anyone know has dealt with AI up till now? Artificial intelligence? Just type yes in the comment section. If you know something about AI or something you have dealt with, anything? Okay, what is AI basically? Firstly, what is intelligence? Intelligence means basically what we are doing is human intelligence. We are trying to input it in the machines. I know it can't be replaced. Human being can never be replaced. But the point is 70 to 80% of the jobs which are of a repetitive nature, which don't require much brain, they can at least be transferred to AI, isn't it? So what is the use of AI in basically this banking? Firstly, remember it has many applications. One, cyber security and fraud detection. Very important because here in any field, generally 80% of the jobs are repetitive. So the cyber security and fraud detection, whatever are the daily cases or BAU cases, business as usual cases, those can be dealt with using the AI. Chatbots. Now we see chatbots everywhere, isn't it? Everywhere you go to any website, any app, immediately like that SBI app coming up immediately, right? Ela. What is the name? Anyone knows? Just type in the comment section. What is the name for that SBI chatbot which comes? I think so. Ela. I may be wrong, but it's somewhere like that. Okay. Loan and credit decisions. So whether to give the loan, now you'll say how can I give the loan disbursal or sanctioning to AI? It can be given. Why? Because if it's a normal BAU case, okay, regular case, then why should the human being be involved into that? So loan and credit decisions, it can be given to AI. Tracking the market trends, where the actual world is moving now, in which direction. Means what do you mean by this directions here? Do you know? Today, banks are not the only lenders available in the world. NBFCs, online lenders, neo banks, everyone has come up. So this is a trend. Where are people moving? If you give anyone today, just right now, today only, if you give any video, you check yourself only. If you have any video for 1 hour, other than movie, will you watch that video? Nobody wants big lectures now. Okay, everyone has gone for shorts, 1 minute short, half a minute short, 30-second reels, right? So there the world is moving. Similarly, finance is also moving. Fastness, short, concise, precise. Okay, data collection and analysis, right? So customer experience. Now you just look at the names. Everywhere, whatever are the BAU activities can be transferred directly to AI. Customer experience, risk management, regulatory compliance, predictive analysis, and process automation. So these are all the major applications of AI in banking. You have to remember the names for the exams as such. Okay. Prediction of future outcomes and trends. Here I have covered some of them which are difficult to understand. So prediction of future outcomes and trends with its power to predict future scenarios by analyzing past behaviors. Now look at this. What I mean by this. Analyzing past behaviors means what? Again we are talking of those 80% cases which are repetitive in nature. Right? Those cases which are repetitive can be handled by AI directly. AI helps banks predict future outcomes and trends. Okay? This helps banks to identify fraud, detect AML, anti-money laundering pattern, and make customers recommendation, right? So remember, AI is useful in each and every field, and mainly this anti-money laundering, this has become a major issue now. Okay, so always don't forget the three stages of AML, right? Means anti-money laundering, that layering technique, then mixing up, and then making that money white. Okay, these are the three techniques actually. You can have the precise definition of each one later. Okay. Similarly, cognitive process automation. Now, what is cognitive? Cognitive means what? Continuous change. The word cognitive means continuous change. Now, what do you mean by continuous change here? The banking in 1980s, or why even 1980s? The banking in 2005 and banking in 2023 is totally different. The banker who has not studied or kept abreast about the banking changes after 2005 is actually out of job. Okay, because things have changed a lot. So that is continuous change, cognitive process automation. This feature enables automation of variety of information intensive, costly and error prone banking services like claims management. Now, see here, claims management is a continuous changing process because you don't know from where the claims will come, for what reason the claims might come. Had anyone thought that the SVB Bank of USA will fail because of deposits? Generally banks fail because of loans, but here they failed because of deposits. Had anyone imagined like that? It happened, but isn't it? So things change, keep on changing, right? Before going ahead, download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting all the premium study material plus live classes, ebooks, tests, everything you will get it. Okay? Realistic interactive interfaces. Now, these are the few applications which I am discussing in details. Because what happens? These names, when they come in front of you, realistic interactive interfaces, you say, what is this all, man? But see this. Realistic, break these. Realistic, interacting with the customers, and interfaces means, what is an interface? Interface is just a layer in between which has been brought between the seller and the buyer. That's the basic interface, right? So chatbots. Chatbot is basically the realistic interactive interface now. Chatbots identify the context and emotions in the text chat and respond to it in the most appropriate way, isn't it? Have you seen the chatbot? Now, how many of you have not seen the chatbot up till now? Just type yes in the comment section. Okay, why to give a negative question? How many of you have seen the chatbots up till now? Just type yes in the comment section. Yeah? Just type yes. Have you seen the chatbots? Right. What is the next stage of chatbot? Next stage of chatbot. How many of you can tell me? It is Chat GPT, correct? Chat GPT. That is the next stage of chatbot. Means AI at its peak, at least for this period, is known as Chat GPT. So, realistic interactive interfaces means basically it's like similar to the human being you are talking. Chatbots are similar to human beings, right? They answer as per the questions which you give. So effective decision making, next one. Cognitive systems that think and respond like human experts provide optimal solutions based on the available data in real time, right? So again, see this, cognitive means continuous changing. So whatever, as the data continuously changes, the AI also changes continuously the answers. These systems keep a repository of expert information in its database called as knowledge database. Bankers use these cognitive systems to make strategic decisions, right? So what do I mean by this? It means as the data goes on changing, the answers go on changing. That is the basic advantage. Robotic automation of processes. This enables the automation of around 80% of the repetitive work processes. It's but obvious. Whatever is repetitive needs to be transferred to the machines. Human beings shouldn't be used for the repetitive works. It's simple logic. Allowing knowledge workers to dedicate their time in value-added operations that require a high level of human intervention. So you can do a higher up job. Higher up job means it may be related to selling also. It may be related to something new also. right? So human beings shouldn't be used for the repetitive jobs, and that is the logic followed by banking now. What are ATMs? Isn't it? What are ATMs? What is internet banking? What is app? Basically, it basically deals with those repetitive jobs which used to be done earlier by the bankers, cashiers, clearing. Where is clearing now? Have you seen the clearing department now? Means the percentage of the checks coming to the department now vis-a-vis the overall transfers happening in India today, very less. Okay, so checks are becoming the history now. Similarly, in future world, this notes will become the history. Cash notes, history. Okay, subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, number one, you will be getting the latest updates on JAIIB and CAIIB, all the updates. Okay, and number two, you will be getting the free YouTube series on all the subjects of JAIIB and CAIIB. All, okay, free YouTube series. So that's why subscribe to it. Click on the bell icon immediately. Okay, now the question time. AI is about what? Playing a game on the computer, making machine intelligent, programming on machine with your own intelligence, putting your intelligence in the machine. Now I'll tell you. All of you will get confused between B and D. Making the machine intelligent and putting your intelligence in the machine. Obviously, A and C are not the answers, you know it. Okay? Because here, you might think C is the answer. Somebody might think programming the machine, but that is basically what? Software development. That is not AI. AI is the next level of software development. So, A is out and C is out. Okay? Now, making the machine intelligent and putting your intelligence in the machine. So, out of this what? What do you think should be the answer? Can you put your intelligence in any machine? Can a human being be replaced by a machine? No. So you can't put your intelligence at all in any machine. So the right answer is making the machine intelligent. Human being can never be replaced. The application of AI are expert systems, gaming, vision systems, all of the above. What is the answer? Let's call this ABCD. A, B, C and D. What is the answer? Type fast in the comment section. Expert systems, gaming, vision systems and all of the above. I know many of you will now type what? You will type expert systems. You will say gaming, not. Gaming means what? Playing games? Remember, answer is all of the above. Why? I'll tell you. Gaming is not the games which we play on those mobiles nowadays. Gaming has changed. Gaming means in future, I think so next 4 or 5 years, all your studies in schools will be in gaming. All your finance lectures will be in gaming. All your finance will be in gaming. Gaming is changing now. Okay? There are two types of games. There are two types of actual games. Remember, for this AI. Okay? Games which are by chance and these games which are by knowledge. So these games are coming up. Okay, it's a very serious business. Vision systems. Vision systems means where we need to go as a bank, as an organization. So that's why answer is all of them. T. CBS stands for Core Bank Solutions, Core Banking Solutions, Common Banking Solutions, Credit Banking Solutions. Now everyone amongst you is working on CBS. So you'll definitely know the answer. Let me see how many of you can answer this. Yeah. Fast. Everyone. It is correct. Simple. Core banking solutions, right? Isn't it? Core banking solutions. EFT stands for electronic fund transmission, electronic fund transfer, electronic feature transfer, and none of these. So EFT means what? You see that what? NEFT? NEFT, right? You do NEFT on a daily basis in your branch? RTGS. What is RTGS? RTGS is just another form of EFT, NEFT, right? Only the point is it is on the real time basis. That's the only difference. So what is the answer? But EFT stands for then electronic fund transfer, correct? Electronic fund transfer. Who is known as the inventor of AI? Now this question was there in May 23 exam. This question was there. Remember, Charles Babbage, John McCarthy, Alan Turing, and Andrew Ng. Remember, don't take these inventors' name lightly now. Okay? This question was there in May 23. So what is the answer? Charles Babbage? Charles Babbage invented computers. So that is out. Okay? John McCarthy is the right answer. John McCarthy is known as the inventor of AI. Okay? Now, these batches. Say this. If you want to clear your JAIIB in October session, join our Sankalp batch. Or you can join the Mahapack also. Now, what is Mahapack? Mahapack means 15 plus batches, 15 plus 15. Okay? Huge discounts are available. Use the code PREP80. Huge means what? Right now, 80% off is available. So use the code, code PREP80 immediately and join the batch immediately. See here, just now they are starting. In the primary stages they are. So join. You have not missed out anything. So let me show you how to join it. Go to Adda 24/7. Okay. Say this. Okay. Now, once you go to Adda 24/7, click on JAIIB and CAIIB. See this front page. Then click on JAIIB October 23. Okay. Done. Now click on this. See this JAIIB Sankalp batch. Right. So English JAIIB Sankalp batch. Click on this. You'll see the details of the batch. Okay. All the details will be given. See this. The batch, what are the details here? In fact, what you can do is, suppose whenever you are joining, you can just put the code PREP80. Okay? And by now, see here, PREP80 code is already applied over here. So once, as it is applied, you can definitely look, see to it that the fees is reduced now. 19,999 has been reduced to 3,999. And what do you get in this batch? All the 4 subjects are covered. Numericals, objective questions, case studies, everything covered. So immediately click on buy now. Click on the offer. See this. PREP80 is already applied. So you need not apply that code again. Just click on continue. Put the details and that's it. You buy it. In fact, you can go for Mahapack also. What is Mahapack? Let me show you Mahapack also. Okay. In Mahapack you get 15 plus batches. Okay. 15 plus, see this. Click on JAIIB, CAIIB, Mahapack on the front page itself. Okay. Click on this. Now you can go for either JAIIB Mahapack or JAIIB CAIIB Mahapack. Both of them are available. I would always suggest you to go for JAIIB CAIIB Mahapack. Why? Because in JAIIB CAIIB Mahapack, you get the advantage of double. Means double validity is there. 24 months, double validity you get it. And also the advantage is you can use the same package for CAIIB. Once you clear JAIIB in 6 months, see this 24 months is the validity. 80% off is there. So that's why double validity plus 80% off. You can use the same package for CAIIB. Again same thing. Buy now. Click on buy now. Click on continue. And put your details. Then go for payment and that's it. Done. Okay. So I'll be back tomorrow with another session. Till then, keep studying and do join the batch immediately. Okay.